So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Now once the lab is started, you have to open the console incognito window. So right click and open the link incognito window. And here you have to click on I understand. So wait for it. First of all, lab to start. Click on I understand. Now after that, first of all, let me just change the appearance to light mode. And then you'll get another pop-up. Here you have to click on I agree and continue. And in the next step, you have to activate the Cloud Shell. Click on it, click on continue, and you may be prompted to click on authorize also, so just do it. Now let's come to the lab instruction and come to task number 1. From here, first of all, copy this command. So we are just downloading some of the files which are required for the lab, also installing ADK. So just run all these things one by one. First I ran this command and then second command. Okay. So you have to wait for it to get completed. Now from here, come back again and run this command to just create and export the environment variables. Then just run this command to copy it. Now this is successfully done. Now what we have to do, we have to just copy this, open the editor. It will take some time for the editor to open. Then just open this folder and then just select this one and open the agent.py. Scroll down and here you can see sub agent. Okay, just press the tab key and just paste it. So we have done the first step. Now you have to just open it, come over here and just change the directory and run it. And here we have to just prompt. Okay, so just copy the hello, paste over here like this. After that we have to just paste another prompt. So for this task we have to do some of the manual steps also. So just copy it. First of all, do one thing, do type exit over here and open it. Wait a second, open the editor, and from here we have to add the instructions. So just hit enter over here, press the tab key. Wait a second, let's do Control Z. Okay, now just copy this, come over here, hit enter and just paste it. Now what we have to do, okay, so it's if they travel, if they need help in deciding. So from here to here, just select it and press the tab key. So it is successfully fixed, right? It is successfully fixed. You can just hit backspace also and do it like this. Now you can see the syntax is correctly done. Now what we have to do, we have to just save the file, open the terminal again, and from here just run the agent again. Okay, now just type hello. Now just copy the second prompt and reply them. So it's taking a bit of time. Wait for it. So here we got this particular output. Now just copy this and paste in the user section. And just come over here and try to check the score. So we have got the score and we'll get the output also. You can see we have got the output too. Okay, this is the output. Now what we have to do, you have to use session state to store information and retrieve it also. So first of all, copy it, open it, and from here we have to just, okay, tools header. So this is our tools header. Let me just see, just paste it. Now it's done. Now after that, what we have to do, we have to just add it. So here only press the tab key and paste it to just save it. Now click on file and save. Now we have to add the instruction. So copy the instruction and just come over here to the instruction site. Come over here, hit enter, and just in between it, paste it. Again, select it from here to here and press the tab key. You can just add it backspace and then simply save it again. So this thing is done. Now let's try to run. Save attractions to state. Just remove it from here to just click on the tab button and just paste it over here like this. Now here all things are correct. Let me just use the backspace and it is properly aligned and saved. Okay, now it is correct, I think so. Now just save it. Now open the terminal, press Ctrl C. So we have to just scroll down and from here we have to run the web command. Open it, just select it and just come over here and run each query one by one. Now run the next query. So yes, now you can see in the state it has been successfully added. Now if you try to check the score, let's see. We have got the score. Now we have to move for the next one. That is the workflow agents. So it's very simple. You have to just copy it and just press Ctrl C to abort the session and restart it and reload the agents. Now what we have to do, we have to just, so we have to build the agent. Okay, so just open it, select the agent, and then what we have to do, we have to just start it. Now we have to click on the agent icon. Let me just show you. Now here you can type any famous name. So you can clearly see the agent is working and generating the output. And here you can see how it is transferring to different agents, then searching via Wikipedia and then appending over here. So it will take some time for the output to get generated. Meanwhile, like the video. You can see we have got the output over here. So if we come over here and try to check the score, let's see. we have got the score. Also everything have been compiled. Now we have to come to the task number 5, and it is also very easy. So just copy it, come back over here, open the editor, and from here close it. Now which file we have to open? It is the workflow agents py. Now here we have to just copy this command, sorry, this code, and we have to just add it over here. I think there is no mention of any tagline, so we have to paste directly on the top. So just paste it like this. Now what we have to do, we have to just add it. Okay, so we have to paste it, agents header section. We have to just find the agents header, this one. We have to just find it under the agents header. So from here hit enter, just paste it like this. So we have done this step also. Now what we have to do, we have to create a new loop agent called writer dot underscore room. So for that also, so this is present. Okay, so just copy it and scroll down over here. Okay, scroll down, and here you can see film concept team. They have mentioned we have to paste above the film concept team. So just come over here and just paste it like this. It is also done. Now what we have to do, we have to just update the film concept team. So just copy it and we have to just update it. So what command it is? This is. Okay, so let me just replace it. Okay, we have updated it. Now just save it. Come over here and click on new session. From here, just select the workflow agent if it is not selected. Okay, now we have to just type hello. Now just type anything over here. So just giving us the output over here. You can see in the state also it is being updated. Now you can just try to check the score also. Please add a critic agent and show the response is generated. So we should wait for the response to get generated, and it is still generating. You can see all the text, whichever it is generating, the metadata, the token count, whatever is being used. And if you're facing resource quota exhausted, then just restart the lab. Let me see. Make sure it generates a response in the conversation. So it's still generating, so we have to wait for it. So finally the response is generated and it is still generating. Wow. So finally all things are completed. Now let's check the score. So it took a lot of time, but finally once you see the last file is created, a file info is updated, then you are able to complete the lab. So thank you. Have a great day ahead.